Now it is my pleasure to introduce our next founder, who is Elizabeth Jones from BeHub. Please join me in making her welcome.
Good evening, everyone. It is truly wonderful to be here. I'm Liz from BeHub, and BeHub is an on-demand medical device education platform for clinicians and practitioners. In 2018, my son spent 5 months in intensive care. During that time, a product was used incorrectly, adding to his time by 57 days. But our story is not unique. Over 90% of clinicians have used a product that they are not trained in. When it comes to medical devices, hospitals have very little visibility or understanding of who has actually done the product training. And the manufacturers that produce these products find it impossible to get education to all end users. But is it any wonder, with nearly 600,000 clinicians using these products at 1.4 million products across the country, it is almost impossible for them to keep up. There has to be a better way. BeHub is that better way. BeHub gives clinicians access to up-to-date information that is available anytime, anywhere, on the one platform. For a clinician to have this information at their fingertips gives them the confidence to use a product safely, and it gives them more time back with their patients. It gives hospitals visibility of who's done what training, supporting them with their compliance, and streamlining their onboarding process. For manufacturers, they can be assured that any product changes or up-to-date information is getting into the hands of their end users. Right now, if a clinician doesn't know how to use a product, they will ask a colleague. Inevitably, that colleague is too busy to show them, and they may have it wrong. So what does a clinician do? They second guess. That's leaving themselves, the hospital, the manufacturer, and more importantly, the patient in the risk of getting it wrong. Our business model is based on subscription, both through manufacturers and healthcare facilities, being hospitals and aged care. It will be free to clinicians. Right now, we are working to develop strategic partnerships and grow our strategic partnerships with medical device manufacturers, hospitals, and aged care facilities. I'm here tonight with my co-founder, Brian. Brian has extensive experience both as a CEO and on boards. I have extensive experience in health in multiple positions across the health sector. So tonight, if you're a medical device manufacturer or you're representing a hospital and you want to reduce your risk by ensuring that your clinicians are using their products correctly, please come and talk to us. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Liz. That was great. I'm here with Tamara Mills, who is the founder and CEO of Impact X Health, and also one of our brilliant coaches for this year who's been working with all the teams. So Tamara, what is your question to Liz?
Thank you. Liz, you did an incredible job, and it's nice to finally meet you in person.
Yes.
So the question that I had, and I think would be useful considering the breadth of people that we have in the audience that probably represent all of the sectors that you have up on this slide, it'd be great if you can elaborate on what the strategic partnership would look like for each of these groups.
Absolutely. A strategic partner could either be a hospital. Well, we're currently talking to hospitals, aged care facilities and medical device manufacturers. Our aim is to continue to develop our product, listen to what they want that's going to be completely user-friendly. We now have an MVP, but we want to grow that MVP, grow the partnership and bring true value to all three areas and ensure that patient safety is improved.
Awesome. Thanks so much, Liz.